Warning! A earthquake has been detected on the coast of Louisiana. Please seek shelter on a strong building or underground. If you don't have a shelter, evacuate immediately. If the earthquake creates a tsunami, seek shelter underground. Please stay tuned to media outlets for more updates. A broadcast station or cable system has issued a tsunami warning for the following area/counties: New Orleans, Louisiana. Warning: we have detected a tsunami going towards New Orleans. We recommend that you seek shelter or evacuate from the area. Grab important documentation. While evacuating, do not go back to collect more stuff. If you go back, you might die from the wave.